Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT6, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right here, and navigate to Fix and Manage. Now before I do so, I'm going to quickly mention that right now you're seeing contacts that are being pulled from the Google account. And in here we have also the option to display contacts from the SIM card. Now this will become a bit more important later on. So anyway, Fix and Manage, and then we're gonna select Manage SIM, and this should then display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now by default they should all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist on your phone, and it looks like two of them do, so they become automatically grayed out and checked off. So if apart from those contacts, if I want to, I can deselect some other contacts. When selecting import, the device will automatically always default into your Google account. So there it is, but under the drop-down menu, you can select other locations, for instance, like device, or if you have multiple Google accounts, you can choose one of those from the list that would be visible here. One more thing is, if you don't have any kind of Google account signed in on a device, you won't have the Save To option visible at all, as the device will automatically default to the only single location that it can, which is the phone itself. So it doesn't give you any options, as there is no options. Anyway, from there, I'm going to select device, then from there you can select import. This will import all selected contacts. And once you navigate to contacts, they should be visible in your list. Now I will need to change the display location to the device, as you can see, which now shows up here. And here are all the contacts that I have imported. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.